Alright. Parts shut up. I got cab corners and outer rockers. First thing I'm gonna do, now that I know how much material they gave me, because I didn't know that before, I am going to cut some more rust out, then go to this step. Now I know this footage is probably quite riveting for you guys. Let's go ahead and put the outer rocker on. I do realize this is not correct. Some of you out there are probably losing your minds watching me rivet these panels on. But I'm not doing a full restoration on this truck. I don't have to give a damn, really, honestly, for this truck. Yeah, there's no other way to put it. I don't have to give a damn for this truck. So I'm gonna rivet on this outer rocker. Most likely will weld here because I cut too deep compared to what I cut over there, so there is a small gap. So I'll probably fill that in with weld just to be able to smooth it out, because I'm not going to fill a hole with Bondo. Yep, so let's get on with the riveting footage. So at this point, I'd realized that my camera battery died, and I switched over to a Chinese-made knockoff GoPro, which, as you can tell, has the best quality of picture. But anyways, here I'm explaining. I just kind of riveted the panels on the rest of the way, and then I did end up welding on some important places that I felt like it should be welded to have decent structural integrity. And I'm doing a voiceover because the camera's microphone didn't pick up any audio at all. And here I've put the door seal back on to check how the door closes and look at the gap on the bottom where the slip over rocker panel is, and the gap, I mean, it's about as good as it ever was, so it's good enough for me. Bacon.